Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to use Voicemod in 2026 to apply different voice effects and customize your voice in real time for gaming and content creation. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To sound like a girl on Voicemod, you can simply go the options tab in here and just choose girl. Now you have to subscribe in order to use any girl voice that you want. Or if you have a friend, you can just unlock, copy, and send this link to a friend. So you would be able to unlock a free voice. After selecting the girl voice that you want, make sure that your input is currently voice mode. In order to do that, go to Windows and search sound settings. In the sound settings, go to input, and now you can see that there are two options, the voice mode and my own mic. Make sure that your input is currently voice mode. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.